Good evening, people. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are keeping well. I just wanted to make another video about these iPhone cables basically, and these are the 2-meter cables what I bought off eBay just on a request from my customer, and I would like to sort of tell you a little bit more, but while I'm doing that, I'm just trying to hide some of the addresses of these, the so-called eBay user, because I don't feel that I've got enough information to penalize them or expose them. But let's have a look at the cables. So these are the 5 cables what I bought. Okay, this is my old dodgy cable, and I'll show you why I've got this out here. These are all this original 2-meter cable, and these are pre-owned 14 days. So here it is. Have a look here. The description says it's 100% original charging USB data cable, Apple lead for iPhones. Okay, used 14 days, grade AAA+++, like new, blah 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 blah. Now when you look at something like this, you'd think that these are like cables out of a box, or a phone that's been returned to customer. Apple decided to refurbish, or the retailer decided to refurbish, and the cables have been taken out of the box. Okay, so or a return cable, whatever it is basically. But when you look at something like this, I even got bought into the fact that these are going to be like a refurbished cables, but they're genuine Apple authentic cable. But unfortunately, it's not. And let me show you, let me scan every single cable and you'll know what's going on. Okay, so I'd like to keep this short and quick as possible. Okay, so cable number 1, the authentic cable, used 14 days. Here we go. Cable 2. Cable 3. Cable 4. And that one. Right, so all these 5 cables are fake, and fake. Look at this battered cable. Even the braiding is out. Okay, this is one of the original iPhone cable, right, for when I first owned the iPhone 6 Plus actually. Watch what happens. Yeah, it's flicking. That's because of a dodgy connector. That's fine, but this is an authentic cable. I know it's authentic. Satisfied? Okay. So the point what I'm trying to make is that when you get eBay listings, I can assure you that vast majority of the cables that are being sold on eBay are fake, and fake. Unless somebody who has a tester like this and they can verify if the cables are genuine or not. These are fake cables, and they cost me 40 something odd, £45 for a set of 5 basically. I was going to keep 1 for myself, and then 4 will go to a customer. Now these are going back to the seller. I can't sell them because it's not fair on the customer for me to charge him and make a bit of money on these cables when these cables are effing fake basically. I can't supply them something knowingly that is going to damage the phone over the course of time basically. So please be aware that when you're buying eBay iPhone cables, even to an extent where they're saying that it's 14 days used, grade A and this and that, you know, don't get bought into all that. That's just absolutely bullshit. Okay, absolute bullshit. Just go into Apple store, pay for a decent cable. If not, have a look online. Go into Apple's website. There are certified brand. There's a list somewhere on Apple's website where you can find that they've listed the different brand of cables which are MFI certified by Apple. You know, you don't have to pay £20-30 for a cable. Okay, you can pick them up for like anything between £10, £12, £15. Okay, it's a lot cheaper than Apple's original cables, but they are genuinely MFI certified cable. Okay, if you want more information about what MFI certification is, just have a look and type in Google and say Apple MFI certified cables with a question mark, and it'll bring up loads of information as to why the original cable versus the fake cable varies, basically. And one of the fundamental problem with these non-certified MFI certified cable is that it damages the TriStar chip, which is the charging communication IC for all iPhones, basically. So yeah, here we are. These are going back. Be careful, guys, with what you're paying for. Don't get fooled like I have. I've been fooled. Yeah, that's all really. Look after yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.